Hi guys, welcome to BestSub TV. I'm Alex. Today I want to show you our Sublimation wine cup collection, and I want to start with the most popular stainless cups. And they are made of double-walled stainless steel, so they can keep the wine inside tasty for longer. And here are the most popular 12-ounce cups. They are available in white and silver colors, and with the clear sipping lids. The shape is very sleek and very comfortable to hold by hand. Here I have another 12-ounce cup. It's straighter, and you can see they are different, slightly different in shape. This one is straighter, and this one becomes tapered toward the lid. And here are the 17-ounce stainless cups. They look just like these two ones, but much larger and longer, and they are also not straight. They are tapered and also available in white and silver colors. And we have created a wide variety of the 12-ounce tapered stainless cups. You can choose from the basic styles, the white and silver colors, the one with handle, multiple colors, gradient colors, glitter finishes, iridescent sparkling finishes, and the ones with the fake ice toppers on the lids. Please comment down below to tell me which one is your favorite. And we also have some glass stainless wine cups. These two ones in my hands are 10 ounce, and you can choose from clear and frosty finishes, while this larger one here is 17 ounce. And if you are looking for some sublimation long stem wine glasses, you can choose from these ones made of glass and this one made of stainless steel. Now you have met all of our sublimation stainless wine glasses and the wine cups. Which one is your favorite? Do you prefer the stainless ones or the ones with long stems? Please comment down to tell me. And if you want to place your orders, or if you want more product information, please send email to best@bestsub.net. And I'm Alex. Hope to see you again in my next video.